Hey guys, it's been long overdue and I'm back to give you guys an update 1 month review of this kinky curly hair that I got off AliExpress, as well as a tutorial on how I dyed my hair this beautiful grown out root blonde color. So before I give you the tutorial, let's have the update. So as you can see here, I did install this hair for 1 month. And it was a 16, 18, 20 inch. It was a Brazilian kinky curly hair. It's still soft and shiny even after dyeing the hair. As far as tangles go, the hair didn't really tangle. It was easy to wash and detangle my hair in the shower, as well as out when I would wash my hair. The only thing is that I did have some tangly at the nape, and that would drive me crazy. As far as shedding went, of course I only got shedding when I would detangle my hair in the shower. So when you install this kinky curly hair, I definitely recommend that you just know how to do natural hair. If you know how to do natural hair, then it's really easy to take care of. I would just braid my hair up at night and I would just take it down, spritz with a little water, add a little gel, and I was good to go. I found this hair very manageable compared to other kinky curly hair that I have used in the past, and I do recommend that you guys go ahead, buy it, and try it. Even after dyeing it, the hair was still soft and shiny and bouncy and curly, and the curls never dropped. So that's my update of the Yvonne Kinky Curly Brazilian hair, and don't worry, all links are in the description box, so go check that out. Okay, so to dye this kinky curly hair, you might be surprised, but all I used was a box dye, and I used the Textures Tone 7C Brightest Blonde, and I just applied it to the hair. But the key to this process is that I did it twice to lift the hair even more, and I did it in gradual steps, as you'll see here. So right now I'm just mixing the colors together, as well as the powder in the package right there, just following directions as they provide for you, and I just shake it up, and that's the booster that I'm applying to the product. And what I love about the Textures Tone blonde dye is that it didn't give it an orange tone. There was no brassiness, so I didn't have to worry about going in and color correcting. What I did for each bundle, as you'll see here, is that I applied the dye to the tips and I let it process for 5 minutes. I worked on each bundle separately, so what I dyed first was the 16-inch bundle because I wanted that to process the longest. So I applied the dye to the tips for 5 minutes, and then as you'll see next, I'm going to go ahead and apply even more dye, and I'm going to go all the way up, leaving a good amount of hair free at the top, so that it will have that grown out look effect that I'm looking for. I wasn't really going for an ombre, but more of a grown out look, and I made sure that I left enough hair out black so that way it would blend with my own kinky curly hair. And the key to having a good grown out look or ombre is to make sure that the dye does not go straight across at the top where it's meeting the black. You don't want to have this blunt, hard, sharp line. So I'm just using the brush to really work that dye in, and I'm going to do the same thing to the other side to make sure it's penetrating. And then after that, I just set it aside, wrapping it in foil, and then I'm going to go ahead and grab my next bundle, once again dyeing the tips for 5 minutes and then applying the dye. The next bundle is going to be the 18-inch bundle, and I'm going to do the same exact thing, and I'm going to let that process for about 30 to 45 minutes, and then the bundle after that will be the 20-inch bundle, which I'm going to allow to process for about 30 minutes. So that way when I rinse it out and I re-dye the hair the next day, I'm doing the exact same instructions, so that way when I install the hair at the top, it's this beautiful bright golden blonde color, and as you work your way to the bottom, it has this beautiful lifted golden brown color. So there's this nice gradual effect because I really want that blonde to pop on the bottom. Okay, if you're interested in dyeing your hair blonde, here are instructions on how I got that gradual effect, and I'm just letting you know that I did this process twice, so you're going to need about 3 boxes of the Textures Tone dye. After repeating this process the next day, I then went ahead and let the hair deep condition, so that way it would store all the moisture that I got from being bleached and processed. And it's as easy as that, and I absolutely love the results, and I love this hair. I still have the wig, and I'll probably be reinstalling it sometime in the winter or fall for just a nice warm change up in my look. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy healthy hair journey, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye!